Hi, I'm Todd Brandon. This cute little backyard belongs to a cute little home that's been in the same family for the last 50 years. It's time to pass the reins over to somebody else. Let's take a quick tour of 55 Upper Dawson Road. You know, this home is really original. You can just look at some of the decor, like the floors and the original kitchen, along with the enamel bathtub and lots of other things that just remind you that this home has been pretty much the way it has for the last 50 years. But I think the person with a keen eye and a little bit of work ethic is going to love taking the bull by the horns here and turning this home into something really, really special. Well, how cute is 55 Upper Dawson Road? It's ready for someone to maximise all its potential. If we can help you move into this wonderful opportunity, give us a call. We would love to help you out.